Baka Jolo, sa likod ka namin.
Likod natin bulag. Bulag na guys.
Okay.
Okay?
Miss her. Yes.
Use this leg to get you guys seated inside your tubes today. You're gonna make your way down this catwalk. You're gonna see that there's a step into the water. You're gonna take that step. Are you gonna take that step? Yes. Once you take that step, you're gonna do a wicked 180, face your drawing fan. Right after that, you're gonna check over your shoulder, make sure the tube propped up behind you.
Baba ka muna, kaya naman baba mo.
No sit. It's called a trust fall. I don't know if you want to trust me just yet. But once there's a tube propped up behind you, you're gonna gently place your butt inside the hole. Okay. Forget everything I just said. Remember two things. Butt, hole.
Kasi mga iba walang hawakan.
Hindi, baka naka-flip.
Okay.
You're going to step in the water and then put your butt in the hole.
Butt hole.
Butt hole.
Alright.
Got it?
I think so. Yung bata.
Here, we'll let the people go.
Yeah, totally. Thank you. What?
Mari pala hindi ka masyadong babasa dyan. Buong katawan mo.
Quit lang.
Hindi masyado. Quit lang babasa.
Hindi, meron yatang part na mga may splash na
Ganun. Ganun din yun eh. Sabay-sabay, di ba, hindi ka magkaka, di ka rin mag-aanohan dyan. Oo, magkakaiwalay-walay ka rin. Dapat nga, tama ba?
You're just going to kind of fall backwards into it.
Ready? Yeah, that one shot boss. It's for six. For six. You get shot boss. Yellow shot boss.
Kasing-kas niya ba si Stephen Curry? Ano ba si Stephen Curry?
Parang ganun.
The special ed, named after me.
You know?
Glad you have special ed.